As you can see, today we have another unboxing video. This is actually a box, again, from another firearm enthusiast. Yeah, so we can go ahead and open it up. Looks like they used paper this time. I'm expecting two modern devices in here. Just packing. Oh wow, actually looks like there's three. Actually looks like there's a couple more devices in here. So first of all, we have this, which I was not expecting. Alright, so here we have a Gentex GXS remote strobe. It comes with the mounting bracket and everything, looks like. It's in really good condition. Next up, we have this, which I was expecting. Let me take out the bubble wrap. And right here is a Spectral Advanced Chime. This is obviously white. It's used, but it's in really good condition. Comes with mounting bracket and all that. And the last thing we have, which this is actually going to get used on my system, and here we have an L-Series SWL remote strobe. It also comes with the mounting bracket, and it's in good condition, just like the rest of them. Yeah, so here are all the devices that I got. I will be testing these in upcoming videos, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.